Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best fishing rods for beginners you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Beginner anglers can find fishing to be discouraging. Many fishermen aren't the most patient people, so waiting and casting for hours with no results can be very frustrating. They must be able to catch their first fish in order to progress beyond the first lull and into the ranks of professional fishermen. This indicates that the equipment is of high quality. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Shakespeare Ugly Stik GX2 Fishing Rod and Spinning Reel Combo 5. 2-piece. Shakespeare is one of the most well-known fishing brands available. This is ideal for children aged 5 to 6. Ideal for most panfish applications where there's good access to the water, such as docks and gently sloping banks. There's not a lot that can go wrong. On number 4, Penn Fierce II. The Penn Fierce II is the company's second attempt at making a fantastic combination rod and reel. The combination is incredible, much like the first, original Penn Fierce I. This is a fantastic offer. Graphite is used to make the rod. Graphite rods are very delicate. It's what they're popular for, and it's also what they excel at. However, their intense sensitivity can be a drawback at times. After you know what you're feeling for, graphite rods can alert you too early and you will end up setting the hook too early, resulting in losing the fish. But that can easily be made into a habit of avoiding. Making sure that you wait for a second or less before setting the hook can become a great habit. These rods are strong as they are sensitive. The butt of the rod is thick, and that continues up the rod until the tip. The thickness of the rod is great for beginners because it will let them pull at the fish and be in very little danger of breaking the rod. On number 3, Penn Battle II. This rod is a direct replacement for the Penn Fierce II. When the reel and rod were put through a quality check, they were found to be of higher quality. The reel is slightly more substantial than the other rods. The rod and reel are attractive and come in a variety of colors. The drag is smooth and sounds nice as well. It has a lot of range that can be changed to be at the level that is wanted. The reel holds a lot of fishing line and can take a lot of the larger diameters. That makes it a very good rod for some saltwater fishing. The reel is very smooth on the retrieval and is silent, as long as the drag does not kick in. That makes it a very good rod for some saltwater fishing. The reel is very smooth on the retrieval and is silent, as long as the drag does not kick in. Overall, the reel is a fantastic reel. Since it is more expensive, it might not be preferred over the other rods. Because of how fast it casts and how it feels in your hand, it's a great rod for beginners. The rod does not have any problems of its own, although there are issues with packaging and distribution uncertainty. This is a common issue with rods, especially those with smaller and more sensitive rod tips. On number 2, Abu Garcia Black Max Baitcasting Combo. That makes it a very good rod for some saltwater fishing. The reel is very smooth on the retrieval and is silent, as long as the drag does not kick in. Abu Garcia's gear is always of excellent quality. I'm not familiar with Abu Garcia, so I contacted a friend who is, and he told me that one of his favorite rod and reel combinations is the Black Max Mix. He sent me a video of him using the combo, and in about half an hour, he landed about 5 fish. He had a good time with the fish because getting it back was easy. He wouldn't let me put in the video, but I almost did it anyway. It was good footage. From what I could tell, the reel was very smooth and incredibly light. When he flicked the rod around, it pivoted around his hand, instead of where the reel was. When he reeled in, there was no clicking sound as the gears grind together. The drag was turned on and lighter at the time when there was sound. It sounded good and worked well. Another of the reel's key selling points, at least for me, was the fact that it could handle anything from 8-pound line to 30-pound examination. As a result, the rod is extremely versatile and can be used in a variety of circumstances. On number 1, KastKing Sharky 3 Spinning Combo. Overall, the rod and reel are of the same high quality as other KastKing items. Their goods have always been of the highest quality, and they currently share first place with Okuma and Ugly Stiks. The reel is a smooth retriever that is also very quiet. The drag system on the reel is also top tier as well. Once the drag is set, and it can be set very specifically, the sound it makes is quiet, but loud enough to tell you that the fish is fighting harder than the drag was set to. Another amazing quality of the Sharky 3 reel is the bail. The bail can hold a lot of line and can easily handle the larger diameters of mono, and can also handle the slippage of the braid. When it comes to the rod, though, the combination falls short. The rod has a few minor flaws, such as the first eyelet being too small to allow the reel to pass around and let line out. There have also been a few instances where the rod has been defined as fragile, but I couldn't say whether this was due to shipping damage or anything else. When ordering fishing rods online, be cautious. They can arrive degraded on occasion. Only make sure you catch it before the product's return deadline has passed. So guys, this was the video about the best fishing rods for beginners. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.